Hello friends, is your engine idling too fast or, maybe too slow? Does your car feel kinda unstable when you're stopped at a red light? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0519, that means there's an issue with the idle air control system. In this video, I'll explain what P0519 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. So, let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the most common causes of that P0519 code. First up, a faulty idle air control, or IAC valve. When this little guy fails, it just can't regulate the airflow the way it's supposed to. Next, we've got carbon buildup in the throttle body. Dirt and debris can block airflow, which messes with your idle speed. Third, vacuum leaks are a big one. Air leaks can really disrupt idle control and lead to rough idling. Wiring issues are another cause to look out for. Broken or corroded IAC valve wires can send all sorts of erratic signals. And finally, in rare cases, a bad ECM or engine control module can fail to process those IAC valve signals properly. So, how do you actually fix a P0519 code? Well, here's what you need to do. Step 1, grab an obd2 scanner and confirm you've actually got the P0519 code showing up. Step 2, inspect that IAC valve. Give it a good cleaning or just replace it if it's really bad. Next, step 3, check all the wiring and connectors, and look for anything loose, corroded, or broken. Step 4, clean the throttle body using some throttle body cleaner to get rid of any carbon buildup. Step 5, check for vacuum leaks by inspecting all the hoses for cracks or loose connections. And finally, step 6, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. So just to wrap things up, the P0519 code is usually caused by a faulty IAC valve, carbon buildup, or vacuum leaks. Fixing these issues will get your car idling properly again and help prevent any stalling down the road.